Hi, all of you. Once again, I am sending you another video regarding assignments. So till now, I sent two videos for all of you. One is for homeworks, and the other one is for assignments, which can be created by using rubrics. And similarly, in this video, I would like to explain you about the assignments, creation of assignments in quizzes, which uses Microsoft Forms for the creation of these assignments. Coming back again, similarly, this one also you can upload in two ways, directly from the zip available on the left side of the screen, or otherwise from the assignments tab available in the channel. Now I am using the assignments tab available in the channel to create a quiz. So you open the assignment and you expand the tab here by pressing here. So this is the screen. Actually you are well aware of the screen, what the screen is mentioned about, like drafts, assigned and written. And currently we are discussing about how to create an assignment in quiz. So this is you are select a quiz and select the quiz for selecting this. So you will find a list of the contents here, that is the previously which you already prepared. So you can use any of this if you want, otherwise you can create a new quiz. So now I am creating a new quiz for this. So press on the new quiz. This will take you to a login page of Microsoft Forms. You remember that whenever you prepare a assignment by using quiz, it will be created only by using Microsoft Forms, and no need to share or send or save this. It will be directly saved to the OneDrive. See, this is the page where the quiz is created with Microsoft Forms. Here you must mention the title of the quiz. Suppose sample quiz 1 for video presentation. This is the name which I gave to the quiz, and enter the description. Description is the thing which if you want to add anything, some description to this, you can add it. So see, I have added a description also for this. If you want to add an an image here also, you can press here and you can add some image from here. Now, and from here you need to add questions. You add new, that will take to an options where it will be given as choice, text, rating, date, and some other options is there. Choice means it will be give you a multiple choice questions like this, and text means that text answer for a question, and rating, date, generally we don't use these topics in this assignment. So only the choice and the text are the one which we will verify during this uh, quiz presentation in assignments. So I am selecting a multiple choice question. So I need to select this choice. Question 1. What is the value of, what is 5 times of 10? So you can select options here: 40, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I have entered some options here, and I need to select the correct answer also. So 4 times 5 times of 10 is 50. So I need to mention this as the correct answer. So if you are having multiple answers, you can select this and you can select one or two multiple answers. So this is the one you can require. And if you want to give any points for this question, you can give it as suppose 2 points. And now you can add another new row, again multiple choice. So now you can base it continuously on the text. What is the name of the state? Option 1 is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and the other one is can mention it as Bihar. Other one is Uttar Pradesh. See, I need to select the correct answer again. So this one is the correct answer. So again, again the same points will be allotted here. If you want to change the number of points, you can change it from here. You can write it as 3 points or like that. So currently I'm keeping it as 2 only. So I'm adding another question, same of multiple choice, but in a different way. I'm thinking of organizing this question. So what is this image? Okay, what is the statue? So I will insert an image from here, and directly I can upload it from here. Statue of. So I am selecting it from Google Net, and I can select the image directly from here on. So if you press on the image and select add, it will be added to the strip. What is the name of this statue? So it will be, you can select options here. So these are the 4 options which I gave here. The image is still uploading now. So let it be, let it complete. We can go to the next one. What is this logo? So once again, actually I will upload it the image. So now I am selecting the upload, and I am uploading the image from this PC. Just I am uploading one. Here is that one sample image I uploaded. I uploaded this image and I selected as Google Drive. The correct answer is here. The answer is here. The correct answer is Statue of Liberty is the correct answer. I did not mention it. Statue of Liberty. And here, sorry, this is about OneDrive, I think. Okay, whatever the answer is, this is the answer I selected for this. And I can add another question here. This is also multiple choice, and currently directly you can paste a question from here. Suppose like this, I will select this image and an uploaded image from the computer. I will select like this. So already these questions will be available with the operator. So actually this work operator will do, and you can take the assistance if you want any. If you want to prepare it by your own. Okay. So thus the question will be pasted here. Only thing is, even the options are also mentioned in the same page. So you need to selection option 1, option 2, option 3 and option 4 and select one answer as the correct one. The Statue of Liberty is posted here, and the other one is also posted here. Let the question from the computer also, you want to share it. Just wait, it is still uploading. The time taken to upload the question, actually it is taking too much long than the required time, because maybe my net is somewhat slow. Otherwise, let me change the question once again. I am uploading another question. But maybe it is taking too long than expected. Okay, I selected the another question. And I selected this option 4 as the correct one. I don't know actually what the question is. Only I selected is in sample. So this uploaded quiz will be reflected. Okay, it is not, the image is not showing either, but that will be shown in the question paper. Don't worry. That uploaded will be create quiz. See this, currently you just prepared sample quiz 1 for video presentation. This is the one which you prepared today in Google Forms. So you create the quiz with these questions. Again it will be shown like this. Wow. Here also the same page has opened. Along the title is almost pre-filled. The same title will be present for a sample quiz 1 for video presentation. See. And for assignments is the name of the channel for which we are assigning to this exam to. And so actually we have given 5 points there, 5 questions, and each question is assigned 2 points. So the overall points is for 10. Assigned to the for assignments group all students. If you want to select only some of the students for which this exam is to be assigned, you can do that also. So same due date and time due date. If you want to change the due date, you can change it from here. Previously also I explained you about this. The due date, suppose you want to schedule it, the assignment to be posted tomorrow morning or today evening, you can post it, schedule it, the posting of the exam, and its due date also can be extended if you want. So this exam is ready for sharing. You can directly assign it to the student. So the as exam is assigned. So now coming to the student view, let me check the student view once. Microsoft.com. I am logging in with the student ID in this Microsoft Teams, so that after once again, if you after filling all these forms, you can check how this assignment look like. So if you check the preview, you can see how this assignment looks like. So it will look like this. Okay. Okay, this question is taking some time to load. Otherwise, maybe my, as I told earlier, my net may be somewhat slow. So this is the way it looks on a computer. And if you want the way how it looks on a mobile, you can select mobile. So this is the way how it looks on a mobile. Okay. Now you can open the student view of the Microsoft Teams. This is the web app history. Actually, this is not the theme I was supposed to open. Wait. Microsoft.com. I'm signing it with a student login ID so that I can view the assignment in the student view. I'm showing you how the assignment will look like on the student's desktop or mobile. See here, this is the way how a student will be able to see his assignment. See here, a notification will also send to the student. Assignment mentioned for assignments. See here at 10:38 a.m. Sample quiz 1 for video presentation. And if you the students press on view assignment, it will launch them to the assignment page. So they need to press here for the assignment to open. Sample quiz. So the student answer the questions. And then go posted. And this is suppose the student mentioned it as wrongly. Google Drive. This is the question. See, previously it was not loaded. and now it's showing you the question along with the options are also mentioned here. Suppose the option 1, you first select this. Option 2, you can select option 2. Option 3, you can select option 3, like this. So I am selecting option 4 and submit. So your response was submitted and thanks. And the student can immediately view the results also for the assignments in quizzes. See, so this is the student answered with the correct answer. This is one also correct, and this is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer with the student answer, and the correct answer is also showing here as Statue of Liberty. Here it is shown as wrong, and this one is also correct, and this one is also correct. And the total marks secured by the students will almost shown be here, points 8 points out of 10. As the student answered one question wrongly, he lost 2 marks, and what is the marks he got is 2 marks out of 8 marks out of 10. And as a teacher, we will be able to view this written also sample your quiz or video presentation, how many students are there. So we are not turned in, and some students are in viewed status only. So this student has turned in. For this, you are seeing the paper of the student, or otherwise no feedback is provided. So there is, I think that there is no chance of providing feedback in assignments. I will just confirm and let you know. So this is about how to create assignments in Microsoft Teams in a quiz model. In the previous video, I explained you how to create assignments in the question paper model. This is like a quiz model in which you can give assignments for the students. But the students also will feel very interested because their result they answer their questions online just like an online exam, and the result will also be announced immediately to the student. So this will feel student to have some interest in the examinations. So once again, I request all the teachers to practice this assignments in quiz model also till today evening. Thank you all of you.